After sitting behind a computer screen for countless hours every day, we all know that working can become draining and tedious. Luckily, companies are doing more and more to combat work burnout in hopes of increasing employees' productivity and happiness. Open vessel meditation pods are designed to provide moments of calm in the office, workplace, or home-based workspace. It facilitates workers' access to higher states of awareness, where creativity flows and productivity peaks. A study shows that meditating in open vessel pods significantly increases work effectiveness, and relaxed mind can amplify problem-solving capabilities of the employee.